Now, this right here is how my videos are doing on TikTok. As you can see, I have good amount of views, 14,000 views. You can see other views here, 19,000, up to 337,000, 135,000 views, even up to 300 and something thousand views. You can see 357,000 views. You can see 400,000 views. It is just a whole lot, and there are reasons why I started getting all of these views like this. If you scroll down my videos, you will see that my videos were literally suffering. So for those of you that know me here, you will notice that my videos were literally suffering to the point that I will have views. Let me end this screen record first, okay, so that I don't keep recording. To the point that sometimes I will have views, I can have like 2,000 views and get like 2 likes. I can have like 3,000 views and get like 4 likes. Sometimes I can have like 5,000 views, 0 comments, and maybe 50 likes at most. So all of these things were literally bothering me until I have to go deep into research to see what is actually happening. And this actually changed the game for me. And apart from changing the game, this actually changed how much I started earning as well on TikTok. For those of you that don't know, last month was the very month I took my TikTok account serious to the next level, okay? And because I was not literally active in creating videos, long form videos on YouTube, I thought myself, instead of losing on YouTube and losing on my international TikTok account, why can't I just create something magical? Why can't I just do something on that platform? Let me see how it is literally going to go. And to God be the glory, great things he has done. I was able to surpass that. So the first thing I'm going to be doing in today's video is to show you how to check your accounts, your international TikTok accounts, if everything is literally okay, because it got to a point and I noticed that one of the things that was limiting me was because I was violating on TikTok back to back. So if you're fond of violating on TikTok back to back, this can actually cause harm to you. Now, the only thing you need to do is, if you check this thing I'm about to show you, you are able to check your account and you find out all of those things. All you need to do is to appeal to TikTok, and I think within the period of 30 days or 1 week or so, I don't even think it's up to 30 days, but I've forgotten the exact date, every single thing will be taken down. But that appealing is very, very important, okay? So before I go into sharing with you how to check, the first thing I need to tell you is, for you to be able to also get views on TikTok, you need to make sure you are bringing topics that people are relating to. And for a whole lot of people that have literally been following me on this platform, you know that right from the day one of this international TikTok account, I've been saying it. What I just do is I look for trending gist and I just put out those trending gists out there. Although I was literally not making anything, like I think the last money I made that I reviewed here was like $4 or so, was like $4. But I'm going to be doing like how much TikTok pay me for last month on a different video, because last month was my highest amounts that I earned on TikTok, since I was literally not earning so much on YouTube. I'll also show you guys how much YouTube pay me in another separate video, because that same last month was the month I earned small money, like the money was so small to the point that I can't even cash out last month's money this month. That is how bad it is. You guys know me, I don't sugarcoat here. I come out plain as I am to tell you exactly what you need to know. But anyways, with that being said, let's go directly. Let me show you guys what I need to show you before I say any other thing I need to say after this video. So anyways, welcome back, and my screen record is all started. And the first thing you need to do is, when you come to your TikTok account, this is your profile you're going to be seeing. So you guys can see my followers and everything here, right? Now, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on this 3 line you're seeing up here. So just go ahead and click on the 3 line. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and click on the balance aspect you're seeing here. Don't worry, this is not how much I made, so don't be scared. So once you click on the balance aspect you're seeing here, the next thing you're going to do is to scroll down and click on what? Monetization. Now, once you click on monetization, allow this load as well, okay? Once you allow this load, the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and scroll down. Now, once you scroll down, this is what you're going to be seeing: account check, create libraries, promote, benefits, and then playlist. Now the first thing that is very, very important is for you to actually create a playlist. Okay, create a playlist, because I have to now come back and create a playlist so that once people are watching from that playlist, TikTok will be recommending more content to them. For those of you that don't know how to create playlists, if you say you don't know how to create playlists, let me know, and if you want me to show you, I can definitely show you. But I think it's not even hard, so just go ahead, click on create a playlist, and then create it. You can see one of the playlists I have here. Now let's forget about that. The most important thing that you need to do first is to go ahead and click on accounts check. If you click on account check, automatically it will roll out like this and update all your videos just the way you saw that it just did right now. I do this every single day to ensure that my TikTok account is in a good position, is in a good shape. So you have to do this every day for me. But if you think you want to be doing it 1 month, 3 days, it's left for you, because you might not have a problem yesterday, but the videos you upload today might have problem, might have issues, right? So you have to do this to check. And right now you guys can see that it shows no outstanding issue. Your accounts and posts have no outstanding issue or violation, but this does not include your status on TikTok shop, because I'm in Nigeria, we all know, and Nigerians cannot earn on TikTok shop. Okay, that's why the fact I'm using UK TikTok accounts. Now, creators monetization or other features, but I'm earning on creators monetization. That one is sure, and that's how my videos can be able to like get me money. We'll continue to expand our check to include more features. Is this helpful? Just go ahead and click yes, it's helpful, and that is all. This thing is very, very important. If you have any violation, it will show you here. Maybe you did something 3 days ago and you don't even know. The moment you come back to check, you are going to see it. So I do this every single day. This will help you maximize your views. This will help you get your right audience. This will also help TikTok to recommend your videos. Now, like I said, make sure you create your playlist. Okay, make sure you create your playlist. Let me end this screen record. Make sure you create your playlist so that TikTok can also recommend people from that playlist to watch your videos. It is not difficult. It is very, very simple. So that is just what you need to do. Now, another thing you need to do again, if you want to really get people's attention, is create topics that are create videos relating to trending topics, because you guys know that TikTok is more of short videos. Avoid those acts of creating long form video, like long bulky videos. You know, TikTok can actually create up to 10 minutes, except if you have like an interesting thing you want to show up to 10 minutes. But most of the videos I create, 15 minutes, 60 minutes at most. Maybe what's come to worst, 2 minutes. You understand? But I try my possible best that most of my, I say 15 minutes, 15 seconds, guys, I'm sorry. I try my possible best that most of my videos, 15 seconds, 42 seconds, 60 seconds. Do you get? I try my possible best to stop at that range so that the more people are watching them, they can get interested to your clips. Because if you think you just keep doing something very long and lengthy, a lot of people might just click out because either it's boring, either it's not captivating to them, or it is too long. That is how we human beings are. Even me, I find out that recently I enjoy more of short videos than long form videos. That does not mean long form videos is not selling on TikTok. Do not get me wrong. It is, but short form videos sells better, performs better for me. But if you are on TikTok, actually you have a monetized international TikTok account, let me know what your own experience is on the other hand, okay? I hope this video is able to help anyone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. I want to say a very big thank you to every single one of you liking, commenting, sharing, dropping super thanks, and also joining my membership. I do not take you guys for granted. You guys are absolutely the best. And guys, with that being said, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah.